What's up guys, welcome back. So I haven't posted in a while, so I thought I'll at least do this quick video on what I did to get rid of the body roll on my 535i. So basically there's few options you have, like putting stiffer springs, lowering, or putting like low profile tires or bigger wheels and stuff like that. But what I think is the easiest and cheapest way to get rid of the body roll on the F10 535i is to upgrade your stabilization bars or anti-roll bars, right? So I'm gonna show you what I did real quick, and then I hope this will help. The difference was super significant. The car corners so much better. I cannot even explain you how much better it is cornering now, and it is just feels so much sportier now compared to the stock bars. So I'm gonna show you the stock ones and the Eibach upgraded ones, and then let you decide it really for yourself. But trust me, the difference is significant. You just take my word for it. If you are tired of the body roll in your car, just do this. It'll run you probably $600-700, but it is still, I think, the most budget-friendly option to get rid of the body roll on these things. And I honestly couldn't even drive it anymore. It felt like a boat, but now it just feels like it sticks to the road so much better, and the cornering is fantastic. So real quick, again, these are the stock bars. They are going to retire now, and then I'll show you the upgraded front and back in a second. So here's the original bar compared to the new one for comparison. As you can tell, that the Eibach bar is significantly thicker than the stock bar. So that's how it is installed. They send you all the hardware needed. Looks pretty awesome in red like that. Here's one more time comparison. That's how thick the upgraded bar is compared to the stock one. And that's the front. And here's the rear one. So that's original. And up here, it's kind of hard to tell, but up there is the upgraded one. Again, much thicker than this one. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, liking this video. And as always, more of the cool BMW content coming soon. Peace.